How to send money abroad from Riyad Bank. In order to send money abroad from Riyad Bank, it is fairly simple for us to do so. All you have to do is launch the Riyad Bank mobile banking application on your device. Once you've done that, you want to simply log into your mobile banking or online banking details based on however you are logging in. Enter your username, national ID, Iqama, visitor ID or your password, then tap on the login button. Once you log in, go to the Beneficiaries Management section and make sure to add an International Bank Beneficiary or Western Union Beneficiary if using that service. Then you must activate the newly added beneficiary through one of the available methods, that is the auto dialer service, a Riyad Bank ATM or Riyad online phone banking, or by visiting a branch. Then once the beneficiary is active, navigate to the money transfer section, select the beneficiary, enter the amount and currency that you wish to send, review the exchange rate and fees, and complete the process. That way you'll be able to send money abroad from Riyad Bank. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.